Welcome to English Quizler. Think your grammar skills are sharp enough? In this quiz, I've got 40 tricky English questions, a perfect mix of easy, medium, and advanced levels to test how well you know English. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin.
Either of the answers is correct. By next July, we will have lived in this city for 10 years. She didn't know who to invite. The dog wagged its tail happily. If she had studied harder, she could have passed. We'll go out if it stops raining. He acts as though he were the boss. The teacher made the student sit quietly. How long have you known her? The number of players is small. There isn't much milk left in the fridge. I'll never forget meeting her for the first time. She can't stand waiting in traffic. I'd rather you left now. He works harder than anyone else in the office. If only he had taken my advice. Not until yesterday did I discover the truth. I prefer not to go out when it rains. Neither of the paintings is original. She's been working here since 2012. I wish I had more time to relax. He has difficulty solving the problem. It was such a cold night that everyone went early. The house had been sold by the time we arrived. Hardly had I spoken when he walked out. She's the one who helped me last week. I don't know what to do about it. No sooner had we reached home than it began to rain. There's no point arguing now. Each of the children has a toy. It's time you cleaned your room. He's not as tall as his brother. She was too tired to do anything. The car needs repairing immediately. Were I you, I would take that job. I didn't mean to hurt her feelings. There were so many people that we couldn't move. Neither the teacher nor the students were happy. He's looking forward to going on holiday. Scarcely had they arrived when the show started.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.